Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on OPPO A78. So first, go into the quick settings, disable the Bluetooth, wait a couple of seconds and enable it once again, then click the arrow next to your Bluetooth and more. Now, information icon next to your Bluetooth device and Unpair. Now, try to pair once again. If I find my device. So I'll just disable the Bluetooth and enable it once again. Okay, now it's here. Try to pair. And if it's still not working for you, then try to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.